Hey guys, round Ooh. Hey guys, round 2 on the reviews. Today I have another review unboxing for you guys. I'm coming with the heat today. I first and foremost want to thank Jaja Hair for sponsoring this video. After that, if you can't tell from the title or what I just said, I'll be doing another initial hair review for Jaja Hair. It's actually an Amazon hair company. This wig was $60. Really good. So, you know, the price is nice, but the hair could be worth $60. But that's what I'm here for. So I'm gonna give you guys the specs and the tea on Jaja Hair. Shipping wise, it came really fast. I ordered this hair on Friday and it just came Monday. I'm pretty sure it would have came faster if this pandemic wasn't happening, but yeah. So I mean, that's still good. Friday to Monday, that's what, 3 days?
Yesterday.
Yeah. So the shipping came in 3 days, which is really good. And it came in this Amazon Prime bag. I already opened the bag, but I haven't opened the box yet. So this is what the box looks like. It says Jaja Hair 100% human hair wigs. This box is so cute and aesthetic. Like, the color scheme is so cute. They're so cute. On the back, it just tells you to follow their socials and telling you to take proper care of the wigs, and that this wig can last 6 months to a year. So I'm gonna open this up. Like I said, I have not seen this hair. It came today. Tearing the box up. Oh, here on the side, it has a little scan sticker that tells you what your product is. It says a short bob wig, roomy hair wigs, 12 inches new. When I open it up, there's nothing on the inside. It just has the wig sitting here. They do come with wig caps, which is really good because now I don't have to go to the store and get any. Little hair card. She is so beautiful. She's so cute. Like, I love.
I see you popping your shiznit.
It came with this hair card. Like I was saying, she is so pretty. Like, I love chocolate women. You know why? Because I would like to think that I'm a chocolate woman. I turn this down. I'm pretty. I'm a chocolate woman. Jaja Hair, 100% human hair. It has their socials here. Next, we got the hair. So here it says a 12-inch stretch length straight. The wig. It's in this little zipper bag like this. Zip it. And it looks like this. It got a hairnet on it. So I did my own research before doing this. And a lot of people was talking about the flyaways and stuff. So I'm prepared to have that issue, I guess. So this is what the hair looks like. It does have that, like, manufactured wig. You know, I don't know what that smell is, but, like, you know, your hair, the hair smell, I don't know. It's not, like, it's not overbearing. It's not too much. It's, you know, I'm okay with it. This is what the hair looks like. Nice and bouncy. It's really soft. Like, at the moment, I can't believe that this wig was $60. 13 by 4 frontal lace frontal wig. There's the lace. It comes with a elastic band with combs on the inside. There's also adjustable straps here, so you can fit it to your head. This is the lace. gonna bleach the knots to get those black dots out of there and tint the lace. It's in the middle part, but I don't know if I want to keep it like that or not. So I'm running my fingers through it to see if I get any shedding. Nothing. I haven't got anything yet. Yeah. No shedding as of right now. This is an initial review unboxing. Guys, so far so good with this wig. This wig was $60, $61.99 to be exact. Still amazing. And it's actual like human hair. I haven't bought already done wig before, so this will be a first. Please doing a video on me applying this wig, so please hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when that video uploads. So yeah, guys, go get you one of these. You cannot beat it. You can't beat it. So it's time for comment shout outs. Comment that I'm shouting out today is Haley Francis. Thank you so much, Haley, for your love and your support. If you would like to be a part of my video comment shout outs, just comment down below on any video, and I just randomly pick who gets chosen to be in my videos. So this wraps up the video, guys. Go show Jaja Hair some love and go get you a $60 Amazon wig and get it in 3 days. Yes, without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one.